Hi cooks! On the show today, we're going to make roasted asparagus in the Cosori Air Fryer. I love to roast asparagus. It's my favorite way to cook it. And in the Cosori, it only takes minutes. I'm Amy, and I'm on a mission to become a better cook. Hit the subscribe button below to join me. So now let's make roasted asparagus in the Cosori Air Fryer. So the very first thing, we have a lemon here, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lemon in half so we can use, whoops, got the sticker on there, so we can use the juice. And then I have a pound of asparagus. You can just clip it off where the natural bend is. I'm just going to take the whole pound and I'm just going to cut the end off, and then I'm going to go wash these up. Okay, I washed our asparagus. It's looking delicious. We're going to go ahead and we are going to put it into the Cosori. I really like the shape of this basket because I can fit my asparagus in here perfectly. And this is a good amount for me and Eric to eat for dinner tonight. We're also going to make some roasted chicken, and we'll probably eat it with a little rice. So, perfect dinner, right? And I have a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in this spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray this a little bit. Oh yeah. And we're going to give it a little pepper, fresh ground. Looks really good. And a little salt. And I'm just gonna stir those around a little bit. Oh man, they look really good. And I'm gonna put a little bit more oil on them. You can do that to your taste. A little bit more pepper. Wee bit more salt. Oh. Then I'm going to take our lemon and I'm going to give this a little squeeze of lemon. I don't want too much because lemon can overpower things. Looks really good already. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put our basket in. So I'm going to go 350 degrees, but I'm going to knock this down. It's going to cook anywhere from 6 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to put it on for 10 minutes, and then at about the 5-minute mark, I'm going to check it, shake it, and see where we're at. So it's been cooking 5 minutes. I just want to check on it. Whoa. That looks delicious. It's doing great. Wow. It's beautiful. Let me test it really quick with a fork. Not quite done. So go ahead and put it in for a little bit longer. Okay, it's been in there about 8 minutes and it's looking really good. It looks fantastic. So let me get a plate so we can serve this up. Okay, so let's get our asparagus out of here. And I just have a little platter here. Stack it on. Oh, it looks delicious. And I have a little lemon. See where we can put this to make it look fancy. Or how about we put it right in the middle? Hey, so let's plate it up, take a taste. So we're gonna try this. Don't tell anybody you saw me do this, but I like to eat my asparagus with a little bit of mayonnaise. Shh, don't tell anyone. Terrible, huh? Wow. It's perfectly cooked. I think we did 8 minutes. You can do 7, 8 minutes. If you have sort of medium spares, if you have sort of medium spares, if you have little super thin ones, you know, just watch it. But it can go from anywhere from 6 to 10 minutes to your desired doneness. The seasonings are perfect. The lemon just adds that little brightness to it. It's fantastic. Perfect way to roast asparagus. So the new Cosori Air Fryer, it's fabulous. What I love about it is it doesn't look like your average football kind of air fryer. You could put it on your counter. It's an elegant looking appliance. It'll blend in with all your other appliances and it'll look great. And it even has these 2 little handles on the side to move it around. We noticed that as we were using it. It's a great little air fryer. It's actually one of my favorites now. The roasted asparagus gets my thumbs up. The air fryer gets my thumbs way up. I really like it. If you want to take a look at this air fryer, the link will be down in the description. So thank you again, Cosori, for sending this. I really, really like this air fryer. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And I also have a really fun Facebook group at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. We talk about appliances all day long, and we definitely will be talking about air fryers this week. Also on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Love, love asparagus. Really good.